guys, my name is Alyssa Woods Mahoney. I am the social media coordinator for Albany Woodworks, and today I was going to do a video on rototilling my new garden. So I've never used a rototiller before, and I've slowly been expanding my garden. I started off with pots, and then I moved into a small raised bed, and now we're moving into the ground finally. I feel like I'm graduating. And some of you guys might be like, why is a gardening video on a reclaimed flooring company's website? And that's a good question, but I think it really has everything to do with who we are. We are a family-run business, and Richard and Judith have been avid gardeners since way before I was born, so we won't say how long that's been, but it's over 3 decades. So, and I feel really lucky that they have done that. And I really think it shows who we are as people, and also who we are as a company. For anybody who has ever done gardening, you know that gardening takes some patience, some hard work, some follow through. You have to get those seeds in the ground, you have to love them until they're this beautiful plant. And I'd like to think that those values that we have developed over the years through our gardening and other hobbies like that and passions, we have brought that into our business. Enough about that. I am trying to continue the woods tradition of gardening, so let's get started. And I am going to try to get this thing started the first time. So I think it's super successful. Look, we went from straight grass to this beautiful tilled up soil. I just got to get some of the grass out of it. But I think we're going to be very successful this garden season. I'm excited. Stay tuned for more.